This keyboard promises a revolution in comfort and performance, but can it truly deliver on both fronts? We're diving into the Zhanghong wired mechanical ergonomic gaming keyboard to find out if it's the ultimate tool for your desk. Right off the bat, the ergonomic design is noticeable. It's built to cradle your hands, aiming to make those long work sessions or marathon gaming nights a lot more comfortable. The adjustable tilt and slim front are thoughtful touches, allowing you to find that perfect typing angle, which is a big win for anyone who spends hours at their computer. Under the hood, this keyboard packs blue mechanical switches. Now, if you're a fan of that classic mechanical keyboard feel, you'll appreciate these. They offer a satisfyingly loud, crisp click with a distinct tactile bump. It's a sound and feel that many typists and gamers crave for that precise feedback. Durability is also a key selling point, with these switches designed for longevity. And for those of us who are a little clumsy, the spill-resistant design is a welcome addition, offering some peace of mind against accidental liquid mishaps. When it comes to performance, especially for gaming, the 104-key rollover and anti-ghosting are crucial. This means the keyboard is designed to register every single key press accurately, even when you're mashing multiple keys at once. For fast-paced games, this kind of responsiveness is non-negotiable, and the Zhanghong seems to handle it well, ensuring your commands are executed precisely as intended. It's a full-size, 108-key layout, so you get all the keys you'd expect, including a numpad, making it versatile for both work and play. The wired connectivity ensures a stable, lag-free connection, which is always preferred for serious gaming. However, the loud, clicky nature of the blue switches might not be for everyone, especially in shared office spaces. While it provides great tactile feedback, it can be quite noisy. The ABS material, while common, might not feel as premium as some other keyboard materials out there. But considering the price point and the features offered, it's a solid contender. Overall, the Zhanghong wired mechanical ergonomic gaming keyboard offers a compelling package. It successfully blends ergonomic comfort with the satisfying tactile experience of mechanical blue switches, all while providing reliable performance for gaming thanks to its anti-ghosting capabilities. It's a keyboard that aims to please both the productivity-focused user and the dedicated gamer, and for the most part, it hits the mark.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.